We are using lasers to look at what is ejected out of a commercial toilet when it's flushed. When the toilet is flushed, it emits these very small aerosolized particles, and they range from, as small as tenths of microns up to potentially as large as almost a millimeter. The very large particles fall out quickly, the smaller particles remain suspended. The laser light is being shown in a thin sheet, and it just reflects off of those particles, and then our eyes or the cameras are able to pick them up and visualize them. There's obviously the ick factor, of the fact that you've got the stuff from the bowl that's coming up. There's a lot of studies that have shown that pathogens persist in the bowl for dozens of flushes after the pathogens are introduced. So from a public health perspective, it's really important to understand this. We need to emphasize that, we're not epidemiologists, we're not in public health, we're engineers and physicists. Our role is to understand the physics of this mechanism and show that that could lead to exposure of pathogens, and then work ideally with other people down the road to try and understand how to minimize the transmission. I think this will change your relationship with toilets.